Baikal seals give birth to their pups in hidden dens. This pup is alone. Its mother is away hunting for food. The world above is no place for a newborn pup. But as the days get longer and the sun rises higher in the sky, 30 billion tons of ice start to melt. The pup is stranded, alone. Its calls travel across the lake. Mothers recognize the cries of their young. She must help it to swim away from its birthplace to the edge of the ice sheet. And that could be over a mile away. Adult seals can stay under the ice for half an hour, but pups can only hold their breath for a matter of minutes. There is no air hole in sight. Now, the mother does something remarkable. She stops swimming. And appears to start blowing bubbles, which merge to create an air pocket, just big enough to allow the pup to take a breath. As far as is known, this astonishing behavior only occurs here in Baikal.